In today's video, we are going to learn how we can create a dramatic autumn feel in the photos without using the camera filter. So let's get started. So the first thing I have to do is create an MX adjustment layer and make sure that the output channel is selected to red. I have the value for red as -50%, green as 200%, and blue as -50% as well. Now you might be thinking that it feels way more different than it should. So my friend, let me just change the blending mode to the lighten. Okay, does it help? Alright, let's move to the final step. Let's create a selective color adjustment layer and select yellows. And now move the cyans all the way to the left. And now it's time to play around with the yellows and magentas just a little bit. You can move these sliders and get your desired look of your photo just as you want. And that's it. This is how you can create a dramatic autumn feel in the photos without using the camera filter. I hope you guys liked this tutorial, and make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't did before. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.